In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to reset WordPress to its factory defaults without installing it brand new. So you can be developing a site on your test server, for example, and once it's done, you can upload that to your live server and then reset the one on your test server. So you don't have to install a new one or install a subdirectory one or whatever. You can just reset the one you're working on and start on a new development site using the process I'm going to show you in this tutorial, and we're getting started right now. Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to another tutorial. It's Bjorn from WPLearningLab, where we help you get better at WordPress so you can earn more for yourself, for your clients, and for your business. If you're new here and you like WordPress, you like WordPress tips, tricks, and hacks and getting better at it, make sure you click on subscribe, then the bell notification icon so you don't miss anything. And then check out our private Facebook group, linked to in the description down below. That's where we talk WordPress all day long, so you can get even better at it after you watch these tutorials. So make sure you check that out. And with that out of the way, let's check out this screen capture. I'll see you there. So I have a local site running on Local by Flywheel. I'm just going to click on Start to activate this site. This is it in the background right now. I probably can't use it yet until it actually starts over here. So if we go into our dashboard and then hard refresh, because it's not actually started yet. There we go. Now we're started. Go to Plugins, click on Add New, and then search for WP Reset. And the plugin we want is this first one right here. This one likely works as well. I've never used it before, but it's made by the same company, has the same number of installs. The description is pretty much the same. What these plugins do is they take your WordPress site back to factory default. So what you could do is delete a site and reinstall it fresh, or you have an existing site, install this plugin, and it resets everything back to default, so it's like a fresh install. And it's just faster this way. So if we click on Install Now, and then after that, activate. And in this case, you probably don't have to back up your site because you want to reset it anyway. Then if you go over to Tools, we have a WP Reset option. Oh, first, before I do this, there are a couple changes I've made to this site, which is adding these pages and some setting changes. So once this is factory default, we should just have a sample page and privacy policy. And under Posts, we should have Hello World again. So if we go to Tools and reset it now, we should have those items back again. And here it shows what is going to happen, and in all caps, there is no undo. So if you are afraid of maybe losing some kind of information you might want to keep, then back up your site. But if you're resetting it, it's unlikely that you want to keep any of it, right? Because you're resetting it. Either way, there's no undo. So when you're ready, all you gotta do is type the word reset in down at the very bottom and click on Reset WordPress. And then it says, are you sure? This is the third time they're now making us confirm we want to reset. They likely get a lot of emails about people saying, I reset my site, I didn't want to, now I've lost all my stuff, what do I do? And they have to say, you can't do anything, it's all gone. So make sure you want to reset it before you do. Click on Reset when you're ready. Let this reset progress happen, and now we are back to default. So if we go to Posts, we're back to Hello World for a post. Go to Pages, we're back to these two pages, and if you're running different themes, I just had 2017 theme, which is likely, yeah, that's what it reset to here. So if you had a different theme running, that would of course be back to normal, so it's just like a fresh install. Something it didn't change that I see, if we go into General, it did not reset my site title, or did it? I don't know, is that the default one? I don't even know. Maybe it is the default. I know this one is the default tagline. Not sure about that. Anyway, it didn't reset my email. That was in there before, but I guess something has to be there, so it doesn't change your domain name or your email. Otherwise, the site's just gone. It's not really reset, it's just gone if they delete everything. But all the database, the posts, the themes installed, the plugins installed, those are all back to factory default now. So that's how it works. I hope this video helps you. If you haven't done so yet, make sure you hit subscribe, then the bell notification icon somewhere on the video up here, but on the page down below. And then check out the Facebook group, linked to in the description down below. And after that, check out one of these videos that popped up on the right-hand side so you get even better at WordPress. And until next time, keep crushing it, and I will see you in the next video.